Hey, welcome back. This is the penultimate day of the HealthBuddy Meditation Challenge. I'm your host Mark Slight, and today and tomorrow we're going to have slightly shorter meditations. As over the first 8 days we've got used to starting the meditation, how we ease ourselves back into the room and the general practice of meditation. Today I just want to go over two simple techniques, today and tomorrow I want to go over two simple techniques that you can use in every meditation. It's a great way to connect with yourself and to connect with the meditation itself as well. So just get yourself nice and comfortable, get yourself focused and in the room, get yourselves ready, sitting upright but nice and relaxed at the same time. Just closing your eyes when you're ready. And just allowing that breath to settle straight away into its natural rhythm. Today I feel super relaxed anyway, so it's really easy for me to just drop into this meditation today. It might not be the same for you. You might have had quite a stressful day. This might be at the end of your work day. You might be finding this quite tough, so go easy on yourself if that's the case. Some days you'll find it easier than others. But just relax now. You're here, you're safe. And any stresses that might have been about in your day previously are now gone. So today we're going to use a little bit of a visualization technique. And we're going to visualize our breath. We did briefly do this on one of the early meditations where we visualized our lungs filling, expanding and emptying as we breathed in and breathed out. Today we're going to take that one step further. So we're going to breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth today. And just sit and focus on your breath. I'm a bit croaky, so I'm just going to have a drink of water. And now I want you to visualize your breath in and your breath out. As you breathe in through your nose, just visualize the clean, fresh air that is coming in through your nostrils. It comes in, just feel every part of it. Feel it touch the edge of your nostrils. As it comes in, it brushes the hairs on the inside of your nose. It comes in. It goes down into your lungs. And your lungs expand with this clean, fresh air. As your lungs begin to deflate as you breathe out, that air comes out through your mouth. You can feel the air just on the inside of your cheeks, just brushing the back of your teeth, and just touching your lips as you expel all that air and that tension out of your body. Do the same again as you breathe in. Visualize every particle of air that you're breathing in is clean, it's clear, it's fresh. And just visualize that journey it takes through your nose down into your lungs. And don't forget, as you breathe out, it's not just the air you're breathing out. It's not just the air that's touching every part of your mouth, your teeth, your tongue, your lips. But it's the tension as well, the tension that you're releasing. So the next time as you breathe in, instead of just visualizing the air, I want you to visualize a very cool, crisp, cold air that has a clear blue color to it. So now you're breathing in very cool, clear, fresh blue air in through your nose, and that crisp, clean blue air is filling your lungs. as you breathe it out. And you get ready to breathe in more clean, crisp blue air. And breathe out. This time I want you to focus on the temperature of the air as well. It's very cool. Almost icy cold air that you're breathing in. And just feel that cold air on the inside of your nostrils. Feel it as it comes down the back of your throat, as it goes down into your lungs. It's cold. And your lungs expand with this cold air. Breathe out. Release your tension. And do the same again. Really focus on the temperature of the air, the colour of the air, the crisp cleanness and freshness of the air that's filling your lungs. It makes you feel healthy, this clean, crisp blue air. And if you keep doing this, the more you visualize, the more you practice, the more you can physically feel the air coming in through your nose. You can feel the temperature of it. Just with a little bit of practice, a little bit of consistency. And you can do this in every meditation. Every meditation we've done so far, you can easily bring this practice in. And focusing this much on the air you're breathing in and expelling is a great way to expand the gap between your thoughts, because you're so focused on visualizing the air that you find that hardly any thoughts have come and gone in your mind in this time, because you're so focused on the air you're breathing. And it's a great way to center yourself and relax into a meditation. As with yesterday, I'm now going to leave you here. I'm going to leave you in the meditation. Just be mindful how you come out in the next few minutes, just gently coming back to the room. And allowing yourself to sit in this position in your comfortable surroundings for as long as you need. But for now, keep your eyes closed and keep visualizing this air coming in and out of your body. And I'm going to see you back here tomorrow for our final day of meditation.